welcome back to my channel. I got another Pinkway video I'm doing. So you can see I got two Pinkways. This is the ACK model, this one. The back one here, this is the ACG model. This is the first one I bought. I did a couple of videos on it where I put a new air filter on it, the paper air filter. I did a side tensioner on both saws, and I did quite other videos on the unboxing and testing of that one. I did a video comparing the two, but so this one, we're working on this one. We're going to be upgrading it. I bought this one just for the channel, just so I could do a video on it, compare the two. But I also wanted to use this one to do upgrades too. I'm going to leave this one pretty much as is, other than what I've already done to it. But this one I'm going to play with and do some upgrades too. So that's what this video is. We're going to do an upgrade. We're going to do a new carburetor. It's a 372 carburetor. I have the kit right here. I got this on eBay. Comes with the air filter, which is made for a 372. Carburetor, intake, boot, everything. So that's what we're going to do. We'll put that on, and then we'll also change the sprocket to a 3/8 sprocket, and we're going to put a new bar and chain, a 24-inch bar. We got a NeoTec Bart 24-inch chain, and it's a 3/8. So this was like, I think $50 on Temu. Bought this on Temu. It was the cheapest price that I could find for a bar like this. It's, you know, a sprocketed bar and chain combo. So for 50 bucks, I thought that was a pretty good deal. I'll leave a link in the description to all this stuff for this bar, and also for this 372 kit. So this was a post that I read on Facebook where someone had posted about the Pinkway, what upgrades they can do, and someone recommended doing all this stuff. So I figured I'd try it out, make a video of it, and let you know if it's, you know, worth the time. Also, someone commented on my channel about putting a 24-inch bar on one of these Pinkway saws, if I ever thought about it. Really, I haven't, because I don't usually cut stuff that big. Usually 20 inches. Yeah, 20-inch bars usually plenty for me. I don't cut anything more, you know, usually bigger than that. But I also have the Husqvarna 372 clone back there, and it has a 24-inch bar. So I really didn't need, you know, to do this, but I thought it'd be a good video, so we're going to do that. But I wanted that extra bar for that Husqvarna clone, so I could use it for both, because the bar that it came with doesn't have a sprocket on the end. So that's what we're doing today. Let's get into it. First, I'll probably break this up into two videos. I'll just do the one video starting out. We're going to put the carburetor on and air filter kit, and then we'll do a separate video of putting the sprocket on the bar, and then we'll test it out and cut. So we'll just change the sprocket on this. And when I put the air filter back on, I gotta take it off. So we gotta take the spark plug out and put a stop in it. Spark plug out. Got that. sprocket, and then we'll replace it with the 3/8. Where's my 3/8 sprocket? So we got my new sprocket on. Everything's all good there. We'll put the bar and chain on, but I think I'm going to put a new muffler on this. I bought this one. I think I'm going to use this one and put this on. So we'll take that off. Let's see. I need a little socket for those nuts. There's our old muffler that it came on, the stock one. All the 60, 58 cc to 60 something, 60 cc, 62, 63 come with this dual port muffler. There's also a single port for the smaller 52 cc's. You get up into the bigger ones where they are 70 something cc all the way up to 98, 99 cc. They come with these 3 ports. And these mufflers are just you know, you don't need to do any special muffler mod or anything to them, but they're just a straight, you know, there's nothing inside there. So muffler on now. Back in. Put our bar and chain on and we'll be done. And we'll take it out and test it and see how it runs with the 24-inch bar. First let me go clean this up a little bit and I'll be back. There we go, that looks a little bit better. Alright, now we'll put the bar on. We got our NeoTec 24-inch bar. Came with a 24-inch chain. $50 for the combination. There it is with a 24-inch NeoTec bar. It's a good looking bar. We'll take it out, we'll test it out and see how it cuts.